FILD stands for Finger-Induced Lucid Dreaming, and it's one of the fastest lucid dreaming techniques out there. It's great for beginners and requires nothing but your hands and an alarm clock. Welcome to Explore Lucid Dreaming, and today I'm going to be showing you how to do this method along with some tips I've gathered from personal experience. First of all, before I get into this video, I just want to apologize for not uploading in like 2 months. I didn't quit lucid dreaming, but I just took a bit of a break on this channel. Now that it's the summer, I'm really excited to start making some more videos for you guys because I know that you really enjoy my videos. I just came back to my channel and I noticed that a lot of my videos have been getting a lot of views, and so yeah, I'm excited that people are actually enjoying them, and I would like to make some more content for you guys. So if you're not subscribed, please hit that subscribe button if you want to master your ability to lucid dream every single night. Anyways, let's just get straight on with it. Now, first of all, it's important to note that while some people have success with FILD on the first night of trying it, this method can take more time for others and require a bit more practice before seeing results. So it's important to not give up and just to keep trying, because FILD is a great method and you just need to keep trying. So before you start using this method, please make sure that you do the following things. 1. Make sure that you practice your dream recall. You can do that by keeping a dream journal, which I actually have a video on, so click and watch that before you continue with the rest of this method. And the second one is that you want to have an established sleep cycle, and the reason for this is because you want to find out when you have REM sleep. So this is rapid eye movement sleep. This is where you dream, and you need to find out exactly when this occurs if you want to maximize your chances of this working. Once you have those two things out of the way, you can get on with the actual technique. So step 1 is to go to bed as normal and set yourself an alarm to wake you up between 4 to 6 hours after you fall asleep. So the goal here is to wake up straight into a REM period. So again, if you know when your REM sleep is, this is perfect for you. Again, you can experiment a bit and change the time a bit to see when you wake up. If you wake up straight from a dream, then that's probably the best time to do it. Step 2. Without moving too much and getting awake, stop your alarm and then relax your body. Now, there are some apps that you can get on your phone which are completely free and offer a touchless alarm feature. One of them is called Lucidity, and I'll throw a link down below if you want to check out the app. It's not sponsored, but it is an awesome free app that I found. And yeah, so if you want to download it, just click the link below. Step 3. Try to go back to sleep exactly how you normally would. So once you wake up, just try to go straight back to sleep. And the main purpose of this is to get to the point just before you are about to fall asleep. Once you feel that you're about to go to sleep, then you can begin the FILD technique, and this is where it actually starts. Step 4. One of your hands should be placed on a flat surface, either on your bed or on the ground. It is also important that your fingers are relaxed and they are not too much bent. If your fingers are bent, it could distract you a bit and you might mess up your results. The FILD technique is very simple. You just need to simply imagine that you are playing the piano with your index finger and your middle finger. Because your body should be relaxed, you shouldn't be doing any other movement, but very slightly move the fingers on your hand up and down. Again, you want to do this super slightly. Just press your index finger down, lift your middle finger up, and then press your middle finger down and lift your index finger back up. Just keep repeating this tiny movement and do it over and over again, very, very slightly. Step 5. Move your fingers very lightly and keep doing it so that it is less and less noticeable. So in the end, you should pretty much be doing it almost invisibly. So you don't want to be moving your fingers at all, but you still want to feel like you are playing the piano with your hand. Step 6. Relax your body and your mind even more. Try not to think about distractive things, but concentrate all of your energy on alternating between your fingers. Again, keep this up and just visualize that you are playing the piano. So a lot of you might be asking, how does this method really work? And the truth is that when your fingers move, that super tiny movement stimulates a part of the brain that keeps your mind awake, but your body asleep. So this is perfect for detaching from your body and entering a lucid dreaming state. So once you have applied all the steps that I have just listed, this is what is going to happen. So first of all, you're going to start seeing some changes in your breathing, or you may see strange shapes or colors flowing past your closed eyes. If this happens, just don't focus on it too much, just let it drift by. It's kind of like the wild method of lucid dreaming. Just try to just relax and just keep going with it. And you just want to keep continuing this movement and continuing your awareness until you have entered the dream state. Now, you might not see or feel anything different, which is completely fine. And what I mean by this is once you keep doing these finger movements and when you keep your mind awake, you are just gonna slip straight into a dream without even knowing it. And it's gonna feel like nothing changed at all, which is very strange. It's just gonna feel normal. And this is why step 7 is probably the most important step in this. So after about 30 seconds, and after you're pretty much sure that you are in a dream, you want to perform a reality check. But this reality check has to be a little bit different than usual, because if you move and try to do a reality check, then you might wake yourself up and ruin everything that you reached. So this reality check needs to be one where you don't move at all. So I actually have a video on reality checks, but I'm just gonna tell you probably the best one to do at this point. What you want to do is try to close off the nasal passage at the back of your throat and try to breathe. Now you can do this pretty much without moving. Again, if you don't know how to do that, I have other reality checks. You can check out the video on that if you want, but that's probably the best one that you can do. There are some other reality checks as well, like biting your tongue and seeing if you feel pain, or just wishing for something to materialize right in front of you. Whatever you choose, once you do the reality check and you're sure that you are dreaming, congratulations. You can now do whatever you want. Now again, this reality check that you perform, you can move a little bit, but you don't want to move a lot, if at all. And that's it for today's video. I hope you learned a thing or two about the FILD lucid dreaming technique. If you want more videos about lucid dreaming, subscribe to the channel and leave a like to show your support. Also, feel free to leave a comment down below sharing your lucid dreaming experiences. And as always, if you have any suggestions for the next video on this channel, don't hesitate to post them below. My channel is still pretty small and I try to read every single comment I can, so yeah, your opinion counts. Thanks for watching and I will see you guys next time.